Mona ni reto madhidhia oro wetu weru arene morin komena ngeto Phineas imana ndeto chewero the mweka mberia da ichichongwa kaunti ya MERU nitumirito kwithira irina namba inene yari barabedrite nindi bakirutairia kubwithia kerio kia kendegoro kia KCPE ayatumiria Mpumi Cia Kcpe ya 2022 Minister wa Kithomo Professor EZEKIEL MACHOGU na ugite uria wa mbere na kurukite na maxira nyingine ndi kugiringanithio na mwaka muthiru ara nindi MURITWA mbere mwaka ni na maxima na 31 marikio twandeto Boniface Mongera na utwambiria chio
Fuaro Mahoa Robinson kumaskuru Crisis the King Rotero Bongoma Benali Sotiano Mondi kumaskuru St. Peter's Mumias Boys oba toki tena gutongere kiriro kia mwaka juju arabena maxi magana jana 31 igiuta tena withire Minister Kithomo Jandhuru nekinja bonezekelo Machogu atatumire marito jarito barabombanite ontu bura ukwirikana nere kithire kumakirithirikare njero ria kuthiria mashindano kana na gichunko ranking.
The mark of the highest candidate rose 4 points from 428 in 2021 to 431 in 2022.
Na kuatere kumakira rito milioni 1,733 magana jana na 52 barabara thitekiro kia mwaka juju arito 9,000 magana jana 43 baragwate max kuma magana jana guitia barabara gwete magana 3 mwaka magana jana na rito 3,700 magana 750 na batandatu bakuma magana jairi mwaka magana jairi 99 bararito katheti nchu 6,619 magana 590 na batatu bakumegana nabo wetegana leo 99 bararito 6,993 magana 336 ba maxi emwe mwaka maxi 99 kana 99 bararitwa magana 724.
Female candidates performed better than their male counterparts in English language, Kiswahili, and Kenya Sign Language. Male candidates performed better than their female counterparts in mathematics, science, and social studies, and religious education. Marsabit, Isiolo, and MERU had a significant entry of more female than male candidates in the examination.
Boonge ikwete kumenyekana bobwega kumurora kwate maxi chanze ogormo nkora tongeretie no mwankam bakedro bagite secondary schools kulingana mubango jwa thirikari 100% transition.
The ministry is determined to place the 2022 KCPE candidates in secondary schools as soon as possible to give parents adequate time to prepare them for the admission to Form 1. The actual Form 1 selection exercise for all categories of schools will be concluded on January 16, 2023.
Enge nakyo ora okwirigiri bone na Mpumi Cia grade 6 Kcpe igiribire beitoka gitaka mona KCPE ikedro sherekero ntuko enarwa gotekare kireu aria gitito imonene wa magire bona nyengere ogira bakedro bagetera mwanka January tariki 16.
NEC will report on Kcpe at 3 levels as follows. There will be a report on individual learners for the summative assessment. There will be a school-specific report, and there will be a national report on school-based and summative assessments.
Mpumi Cia Kcpe shumira nasho skuru mwanya kedro chemenya okorokero website ya kigerio jone kararito bakedro bakenderia kiri grade 7 okiri skuru ya barari iri komenyekana ja junior secondary schools.
The national report will provide feedback to education stakeholders on areas that require intervention. The report will indicate the proportion of learners at each of the performance levels per subject where perhaps we need to do some interventions. The report will be very useful to the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, the Teacher Service Commission, and the Ministry of Education as we continue with the rollout of CBC.
Report ya muthia ya mogaru kuja kithomo gia CBC nirigi kwithiro gito mwaka jotu ititemuri jo thato na nite gikwithiro ithari nya kuthiria nkanja na biure bibingi bire bithito birio kiri rũthiomi rũra CBC na KCPE mwaka jũ ikinyirite muthia mwaka jũ jonge twitite ngiri jiri 23 ni kethurire muthia mbere nthuri thungutha kiri rũthiomi rwa CBC arari topa kethura bethiriria kiri grade 6 nke report na Ntoshoro TV kumaja mtiani house kingi na kithoke Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongara.